If you love an easy cookie recipe, you will love these 3-ingredient chocolate chip cookies, which are simple to make, gluten-free, egg-free, and makes really delicious cookies. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add creamy peanut butter. This recipe works best with creamy peanut butter, but can be made with another type of nut butter as well. And add pure maple syrup. I know peanut butter and maple syrup sound like such an odd combination, but these ingredients really do make a good chocolate chip cookie. Mix until all of the maple syrup is incorporated into the peanut butter. I love this recipe because it's a one-bowl recipe and can be easily mixed with a hand or stand mixer or with a spatula. Add in the chocolate chips and fold them into the mixture until they are combined. Feel free to use any type of chocolate chips you have or a combination of a few. Cover the cookie dough and place in the refrigerator for 2 hours or in the freezer for 1 hour. Once the cookie dough is chilled, work quickly and shape the dough into small balls. Place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some room in between each one. Bake in a 325-degree preheated oven for around 8 minutes or until the sides are a light brown. Feel free to add additional chocolate chips on top once these cookies come out of the oven. These cookies are really soft and fall apart easily when they come out of the oven, so let them cool completely before eating. If you love easy cookie recipes, check out these chewy coconut cookies, or if you are looking for another 3-ingredient recipe, check out these 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. They're in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.